Hey guys, in today's tutorial you're going to learn how to create a neon text effect in Photoshop in 1 minute. Hey guys, Ben Taylor here and welcome to PS Tutorials, where we like to teach you Photoshop the easy way. Now today's tutorial is all about how to create a neon text effect in 1 minute. Now I know this seems like not much time, and it's not, but we managed to achieve this in today's tutorial, and if you watch all the way to the end you're going to see exactly how to do this. So without further ado, let's jump into today's tutorial and get started. Okay, so let's kick things off by grabbing our text tool. Now when you've hit the text tool here, just simply press in the middle and then type in neon. You want to make sure you're on a bold round type, so something like Arial bold will be perfect. Now press Ctrl T and this is going to bring up our transform box. Shift click in the corner and drag this up to increase the size. To center the text, grab the move tool here and then simply drag it into the middle of the document. The next step is to duplicate the text, so press Ctrl or Command J and this will duplicate your layer. We want to now add our effects to the text. Double click on your layer on the top and then simply click on Inner Glow. When you've clicked on this, you can see you've added an inner glow to the top layer of text. So this is cool, this is what we want. Ensure Inner Glow is highlighted, click Center. You can then move the opacity of the effect up and down here. I like to keep it at about 60 to 70%. And then keep your range up at about 60 or 70% also and click OK. You now have this glow effect in the middle. Double click on the layer below. On this layer we're going to add an outer glow. You can see that's been added to the text now. Now it's up to you where you want the opacity to be. Now I like to keep this quite high, around 60 or 70%, so it's showing. You want the size to be up quite high, so this is actually glowing around the text. And then finally, it's up to you where you want your range, but I think when you have the range all the way up, it blends in well with the background. And click OK. So this is awesome. We now have our neon text in front of us, but the real magic happens when we create another layer. So press Ctrl Shift N. I'm going to grab a brush tool and now sample from this pink colour here by pressing Alt for my colour picker and clicking on the pink colour. Simply paint around the edge of the text here and then a little bit on the middle. Make sure you're on a low flow. And I know it looks bad at the moment, but watch what happens when we apply a soft light blend mode. Look how the background now comes alive. It really looks like the neon text is lighting the background. Just bring down your opacity a little bit so it's not such a strong effect. And there you have it. We have a lovely neon effect which we've created in around about a minute in Photoshop. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial guys, and most of all I hope you found it helpful and valuable. Great news if you like 1 minute tutorials, because on our YouTube page we have a playlist of 1 minute tutorials where you can watch one after another after another. If you enjoyed today, make sure you subscribe, which you can do below here, and click the notification bell. Whatever you do guys, have a great day today and I'll see you all again very soon.